Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW X5 with a straight 6-cylinder engine, guys, I'm talking about engine N51, N52, N53, N54, guys, or you even have the first generation X5 with the M54 straight 6-cylinder gasoline engine and you're trying to find where your engine starter is located, stay with us and we'll cover that today, guys. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos specifically on BMW, guys. We'll be making every BMW we get at the shop. We make at least 400 to 500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. So what we guys have right here, okay, this is the N52 straight 6-cylinder engine, guys, N52 engine. You can find that engine used in BMW 3 Series, 1 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, 6, 7 Series, one of the most popular engines built between years 2005 to years 2015. But if you have an X5, okay, even with the older engine, guys, let's say it was 2002 X5, it will use a different style 6-cylinder engine, but the procedure will be very close, guys. So now, where is, guys, your engine starter located? Before we get to the starter, now, something super important, disconnect your car battery, guys. Number one, disconnect the car battery. Why? Because engine starter has a positive wire, will be working by the alternator, has a positive battery wire, and if you touch something you can burn your car electronics, you can damage your car computer, you can cause quite a bit of damage that is expensive and hard to fix in some cases. Now, disconnecting the car battery by not following the correct procedure can lead to damaging your electrical system as well. So if you do not know which battery terminal to disconnect, positive or negative, first check out the link in the description of the video below, guys, or just search for which battery terminal to disconnect first on our channel, guys, and you will be able to find it. Something very important, guys. Next, you will need to remove, okay, your intake manifold. Intake manifold will need to come out. We're demonstrating on the 3 Series, but X5 will be almost the same procedure, guys. Now, if you want to see on a 3 Series how to remove the intake manifold, if you have the N52 engine, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. So something super detailed, guys. We will explain everything from start to finish, but takes a long time. That's why we didn't want to waste your time now. We want to show you where the starter is located and what we need to do in order to remove and replace that starter, guys. So now, why the car battery needs to be disconnected? Simply because, guys, this is your engine starter right here. We have a positive wire. You can see this is one positive wire, okay, right here, guys. And that positive wire, the other one goes to the alternator, which actually, guys, okay, it's super easy to touch with tools and stuff that can lead to damaging your electrical system, guys. So what we will need to do, this is the ignition wire. This is the wire that starts your car. When you turn your ignition switch on or you push the start button, okay, it's going to activate the starter. So disconnect that one, press in and pull it out. Now you will need to get a 13mm socket, I think it was. Disconnect that wire here as well, the positive wire. And then, guys, okay, we're going to need some special sockets. Okay, those are the sockets that we use. Those are called female Torx socket. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Once you get that socket, guys, you have two bolts that you need to remove. One bolt is located right here, okay, it goes this way, and then you have another bolt going that way from the transmission housing. Okay, and the bolt I'm talking about, okay, is this bolt right here, guys. So remove these two bolts and the engine starter will come out on BMW X5. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.